Welcome to Resell CNC Auctions. To bid for auction items, go to auction.resellcnc.com. At the top left, click Register. For U.S. residents, click Go to U.S. Registration. Please fill out the form on screen. Type in your email and then type it again for verification. Click Yes to receive email updates from Resell CNC Auctions. Briefly type in how you heard about us. Choose a password. Remember, the password must contain only letters and/or numbers and must be a minimum of 6 and a maximum of 15 characters. Retype your password for verification. Once done, click on Review Registration. Read the terms of use and review your profile. If everything is correct, click I agree and then Register. A username will be automatically sent to the email you registered with. Go to your email and read the message from Matt at resellcnc.com. Your username will be in the email. Once you have your username, go to auction.resellcnc.com. Fill in your username and password that you created previously and click Go. Under Credit Card Profile, type in your credit card information. Registration is free. Please note, we only accept Visa and MasterCard. Credit card entry is a verification of identity to prove that you are real and not an automated system. When it comes to purchases, if your invoice is $1,000 or less, you can charge it to your credit card. If it is over $1,000, the funds must be bank wired. Once done, click Review and then Submit. Now that you are registered, it is time to select which auction you would like to participate in. Select the auction and click Register for Events. Congratulations! You have successfully registered with Resell CNC Auctions. Thank you.